Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to connect your Notion with your make.com. Now if you don't know much about it, no problem. Let me explain first in a simple way. Notion is a tool where you can write notes, make to-do lists, plan your work and many more things. It is like a notebook but digital. Make.com is a tool that helps you to connect different apps together and it can do many tasks automatically. So when you connect Notion with Make.com, you can tell the system to do the things for you. Like when you create a new task in Notion, it can send an email or save the task in another app. So this video will about that. It's very useful. But hey, before we begin, just check the description below for official links, updates or helpful resources. Everything important is down there, so don't forget to take a look. Okay, now let's start step by step. First, go to web browser and just open make.com, or you can use the link in the description of the video. So after login, just click on the top button that says the create scenario, like here. A scenario is just what they call the automation, like a small machine that does something for you. Now just simply click on this plus icon here. Now from here you can search for the Notion. Now you will see the Notion logo pop up. Just click on this verified one. At this point, make.com will ask you to connect your Notion account. So from here just you have to select the database like what you want, and now from here it's saying to connect your Notion. So just click on this create a connection. Now you can see there is a drop down menu. Just click over here and there is two options, Notion public and internal. For this tutorial purpose I'm selecting this internal. Now it's saying to give a name for this integration. I just wrote here demo for better understanding. Now it's asking for a integration token, right? So where you can get that? So now go to your Notion account. So you can just use the link in the description and create an account if you don't have already. So after creating account or all of this stuff, now just click on this three dot here on the top right corner and find for the connections. So from this connection tab, just click on this developer integration. Now we are on the page of integration. Now we have to create a new integration here. So just click on this. Now just give it a name for the integration. I'm just giving demo integration. Now select the workspace, like I'm just selecting this default one, and obviously we will select internal because we used this internal in make.com earlier. Then just click on this save. So after clicking on this save, or after saving this, you have to click on this configure integration. Now you will find there is a token. So just click on this show and just you will see there is a copy button. So just copy this. Now move on to the Notion and paste the token here. So after pasting, just save it. Now your Notion is connected. So after that, you can choose what action you want to do. For example, let's say you want to retrieve a list of your Notion page. So just click on this. So just click an action here. For that, I'm just selecting last edited time, and last edited by the ID name will be selected. So limit will be 10. So you can change that. So I'm just keeping on this by default and just click on save. That means when you add something to Notion, the make.com will be noticed. So basically this was the video for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the link below for official make.com and Notion guide, and like this video and subscribe this channel. So I will see you in the next video.